If you're looking for the best car essential oil diffusers, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preferences, sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have InnoGear Car USB Essential Oil Diffuser. Are you looking for an essential oil diffuser that will effectively eliminate in-car odor, secondhand smoke, food smell, car exhaust, and other unpleasant smell? This device from InnoGear is the perfect plug. It is adorably effective and will bring back the memory of the cool, relaxing breeze from the beach summer vacation. Moving on to the next at number 2, a car USB Portable Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser. Want a good car essential oil diffuser to be your partner through your travels, road trip, and even long hours of work? Check out this aromatherapy device. It functions as a mini USB diffuser and helps relieve tiredness and reduce the anxiety related to driving and working. The number 3 position is held by Vyaime Car USB Essential Oil Diffusers. The problem with most diffusers, especially those that use water, is that they don't last long. However, this product, in particular, seeks to solve that problem and, as a result, offers a large capacity container and long working time. Next at number 4, we have Ominihome Essential Oil Diffuser. This device from Ominihome integrates an essential oil diffuser and a humidifier. It creates a powerful and smooth mist that conditions the atmosphere around you for relaxation and productivity. It will even help to moisturize your skin and alleviate discomfort. The number 5 position is held by Portable Car Essential Oil Mini Travel Diffuser. This essential oil diffuser is so portable and small, and that's why it's perfect for cars. Though it's small, you'll find it very useful even on long-distance journeys because it has a large capacity and does not dispense excessively. The number 6 position is dominated by RoyAroma third car Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser. Enjoying the benefits of aromatherapy shouldn't be that difficult. That's why some people prefer to use a product that does not constitute stress, and this one from RoyAroma is one. It takes a few drops of oil, and when you clip it on available space in your car and you're good to go. Moving on to the next at number 7 with MIGHTYDUTY Car Air Humidifier Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser. Here is a plug-in diffuser and humidifier. Almost instantly, it gets rid of static and helps reduce the exhaust radiation and other negativity that can exist within the atmosphere of a car. You can also adjust the direction within 180 degrees for effectiveness. The number 8 position is held by Vyaime Car Diffuser Humidifier. Now you can say goodbye to the foul smell in your car with this essential oil diffuser and humidifier from Vyaime. It will clean that air and help you balance the humidity in your car. No more dry skin or suffocation when driving. Next at number 9 we have AoMck USB Cool Essential Oil Mist Mini Portable Diffuser. With a bit of water and drops of oil, you are good to go for a long ride. It uses ultrasonic technology to dispense its content. To top it all, it is compact in design, smooth, beautiful body shape, and lightweight and elegant way to clean the air. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by InnoGear Essential Oils Portable Diffuser. With this product, you're going to add a delicious fragrance to the inside of your car and clean the air too. This portable humidifier is perfect for enclosed spaces and utilizes ultrasonic technology so your car oil diffuser will never get clogged. This product promises to improve the air quality of your car, and it does this by breaking water and oil into fine microparticles and gently releasing them into the space where it's plugged in. There is an automatic shut-off feature to stop the diffuser once it's dry, and it's easy to use in your car. We also like that this product has 7 mood lights that can be used while driving. They are super subtle too. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.